Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel English Fluency Lab, where I help you improve your English language skills. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the four prepositions in, into, inside, and within. Now, these four words can be very confusing to some English learners, so let's dive into it straight away. Let us first start with in and inside. Now, in and inside are the same in many cases. Now, let us understand this with a couple of examples. We are in the house is also equal to we are inside the house. So you can use in and inside both. The clothes are in the closet, which is also equal to the clothes are inside the closet. You can use in and inside both, right? So that is the first point with in and inside. Let's move on. Another point with in and inside. The word inside implies that the thing is physically enclosed. It is in a container, a box, a vehicle, a building with walls, etc. Right? Now that means that when talking about location, time being included, or other situations where you are not physically surrounded, you should use in, not inside. Now that's a very important point, friends. Please, I'm going to repeat this. The word inside implies that the thing is physically enclosed, right? Like in a container, box, or a vehicle. But when you're talking about location, time being included, or other situations where you are not physically surrounded, you should use in, not inside. Let's take a few examples. I live in Australia. You don't say I live inside Australia. My birthday is in July, not inside July. And he plays the guitar in a band, not inside a band, right? So that is the second point between in and inside. Let's move on and understand into. The word into implies movement or transformation, right? Movement or transformation. Let's understand this. She jumped into the swimming pool. Okay, there was movement out here. We went into the house. Okay, the car crashed into a telephone pole, and the caterpillar turned into a butterfly. So if you look at these four sentences, there is some sort of a movement or transformation happening, right? Now with the verbs put, throw, drop, and fall, you can use either into or in. Okay, let's take a couple of examples. He put the card into or in his pocket. You can use both. I threw the paper cup into or in the trash. You can use both out here. And she lost her balance and fell into or in the river. Again, you can use both out here. So with the verbs put, throw, drop, and fall, you can use either into or in. Let's move on. Now let's understand the word within. The word within means inside the limits, right? And in this case, the limits are non-physical. They can be limits of time or distance or an area of understanding. Okay, let's take a few examples. The results will be delivered within 14 days, okay, which means within a time period of 14 days. Most car accidents occur within 5 miles of home, right? Within 5 miles of home, right? We also have some expressions using within, right? What are those expressions? Within earshot, which means at a distance where you're able to hear something, such as a conversation. Second, within reason, to the degree that good judgment would allow. And last one, within reach or within one's grasp, which is equal to able to be taken with your hand or able to be accomplished. Okay, so these are some expressions with the word within, right? And finally, you can also use within to describe a person's inner feelings. In this case, you can also use inside, right? Let's understand this with a few examples. He tried to hide the anger burning within or inside him, right? So that's a way to express a person's inner feelings. She clenched her fists, trying to control the frustration burning inside or within her. Despite his calm smile, there was a flicker of anger within his eyes, right? So these are some sentences which are used to describe the feelings where you can use the word within. So friends, I hope it is clear you've understood how to use the words in, into, inside, and within. All right. Now I have a small quiz for you to check your understanding. There are going to be 10 questions and I'm going to be taking a pause, after which we'll discuss the answers. All right, let's go. Here comes question number 1. I can't find my keys. They must be dash my purse somewhere. Question number 2. Please put your shoes dash the closet. Number 3. Be careful. Don't run dash the street. Number 4. The movie was amazing. It completely drew me dash its story. Number 5. We finished painting the room dash 2 days. 6. Are you dash earshot? I have some news to tell you. Number 7. The teacher told us to put our phones dash our backpacks. Number 8. The scientist is studying the behavior of butterflies dash a controlled environment. And number 9. My dream is to travel dash all of Europe. And finally, the cat is hiding dash the box. Sorry about that spelling mistake. Dash the box, right? It should be the. All right, friends. Now I want you to pause the video out here and write your answers on a piece of paper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video for 10 seconds and then we'll discuss the answers. Okay, so here is a break of 10 seconds. All right, let us discuss the answers. Number 1, I can't find my keys. They must be in my purse somewhere, right? Number 2, please put your shoes inside the closet, right? Because we are talking of for physically enclosed space. Okay, so remember, inside we talk about physically enclosed. Number 3, be careful, don't run into the street. Number 4, the movie was amazing. It completely drew me into its story. We finished painting the room within 2 days. Number 6, are you within earshot? I have some news to tell you. Number 7, the teacher told us to put our phones inside our backpacks. Number 8, the scientist is studying the behavior of butterflies within a controlled environment. Number 9, my dream is to travel in all of Europe. And number 10, the cat is hiding inside the box. So friends, how many did you get correct out of 10? Please put your score in the comments below. And if you have learned something new in this video, friends, please give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel. And please do press the bell because I keep coming up with videos like these to help you improve your English language skills. Thank you very much and I will see you in the next one.